what exactly is Neurographica? At its core, Neurographica is an art technique that combines drawing, mindfulness, and neuroscience. It was developed by Russian psychologist and visionary and architect Pavel Piskarov. He created the method in 2014. This method bridges the gap between creativity and self-awareness. In his exploration of the human mind and emotions, Pavel noticed that traditional therapy, while of course beneficial, often relied heavily on verbal communication, a lot of talking. So he envisioned a more direct and profound way to engage with the subconscious mind, which is actually nonverbal, and facilitate self-discovery through art. The birth of Neurographica is a statement to the power of creativity and human spirit, boundless potential for self-exploration and growth. Thanks to this pioneering work, we now have a transformative art technique that not only fosters relaxation and creativity, but actually offers a path to connect with our emotions and understand ourselves at the deeper level. Neurographica may appear as a simple doodling when you look at it, but it is far more profound. The process that involves drawing simple geometric shapes and patterns and lines while maintaining a certain mind state. By freeing our minds from judgments and criticism, we activate neuronal connections in the brain and foster relaxation and creativity. However, it's not always a picturesque journey. Before you reach the stars, you must first navigate through the darkest night. When you draw Neurographica, it often involves actually experiencing some tough love, a process of facing your own fears, confronting ugly truths, and embracing challenging emotions. You have to stare right in the eye of the storm and persevere through it. This transformative phase is often called resistance. One of the most fascinating aspects of Neurographica, its capacity to help us connect with our emotions. Through marker and paper, we externalize our thoughts and feelings, transforming intangible emotions into tangible art. This process of self-expression unveils hidden patterns and insights about ourselves, goes deep into our subconscious mind, finds those things that matter to us at the core. The impact of Neurographica on mental health is second to none. Engaging in creative process often leads to shift in our emotional state. Stress and anxiety kind of give way to calmness and clarity. Some participants have even experienced breakthroughs in overcoming personal challenges, decision-making dilemmas, and healing their own traumas. Neurographica is really versatile, and it can be enjoyed in solitude. It's particularly useful when you're not ready to discuss your private matters with anybody else, or perhaps you are tired of talking therapy and you just want a moment to yourself to mull over your own thoughts and ideas. Another way to explore Neurographica is with one-on-one session with a trained professional who will lead you through a session and work towards your set goal to reach the results quicker. And the third one is group work, enjoying workshops and clubs and memberships and courses as a group and finding that beautiful community with other people who enjoy Neurographica and looking to explore themselves at the deeper level. A key principle of Neurographica is the acceptance of imperfections. Unlike traditional art form that prioritizes perfection, Neurographica celebrates uniqueness. We encourage embracing flaws, and by doing so, we learn a really valuable life lesson about self-compassion and the beauty of embracing our authentic selves. In this fast-paced world, full of distractions, Neurographica offers a sanctuary for the mind and your soul. It's a reminder that creativity resides within each of us, waiting to be awakened. Thank you so much for joining me on this new journey in the realm of Neurographica. I really hope that this episode has piqued your curiosity and inspired you to embark on your own creative odyssey. Until next time, embrace the vast canvas of life and let your unique strokes of creativity draw a masterpiece beyond imagination.